Might be going a tad faster. Just a bit.
Well, let's do that.
If we can find it.
Never mind.
It's a little foggy, so it might be hard.
I think a couple of them fit here.
It's pure white out.
Sounds smart.
And we got our first slowdown. If you look into the operator's hut, you can see what the set max speed is. Rope tension still looks a little low. Maybe it's just because it's loaded.
Let's do the other things there are to do here, and let's go to the peak.
I'll need the mag. Let's make that.
This is a black
Stud.
This thing is soaking wet. God.
It's getting better.
Yeah, a little better.
So the cloud didn't move from yesterday, I guess. That means this crystal ridge is the same as before. Looks like it. Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that.
The cloud's actually a little lower than it was before, which is good. Yeah, it's almost sunny up here. It's like partially cloudy. Does that mean the wind's bad to blow the cloud away?
We'll find out.
Glacier's still closed. I wonder if we'll ever get a video of that one. My backup to getting inside Glacier would probably be Excalibur. It's easy for him. Actually, no, maybe I should just... Yeah, it's not that bad though. Okay, maybe it is bad. But maybe it is bad. Are you gonna lap this or head over to Pat Skinner?
Doesn't matter. Either one. Probably about as good as it's gonna get.
I'm glad this lift isn't on wind hold anymore. It's not that bad. Or are you still getting
down
hit?
this base. It'll be nice and easy because it's slush today.
Or are you still getting hit?
We'll just gotta. It's coming. Feels like it's coming that way southerly, so it's coming over the top right now.
So wouldn't Whistler be shielded?
I don't know.
That's why Big Red's closed. Because Big Red faces south, right? Hello?
Yeah, maybe. Let's come down this.
The only thing iPhone doesn't do well is wind reduction. It films well, it gets good audio, it just sucks at wind reduction. Like in the recording, you probably can't even hear me talking. Why would Symphony be closed? They don't face south.
I don't know.
Must just be too windy at the top to open. about to get worse. Raise the bar.